Good day, one, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast Edition. Yes, this is your fellow compadre speaking. A little bit of a different intro, guys, but nothing that an open-minded person wouldn't mind. So, yeah, just bear with me there. Also, if you're just joining us, welcome in. Consider hitting the subscribe button. What we're going to go over is the golden crosses on the cannabis sector. We're only going to go over 4: Tilray, Cron, ACB, and Sndl. So just stick around with me till the end if you made it this far before that cringy intro. My loyal subscribers, welcome back. We're going to go ahead and dive to the charts. The YouTube algorithm is exploding promoting the channel right now. I must say you guys are doing a wonderful job leaving your appropriate comments and thumbs. Excuse me. Thank you for your support, guys. Let's go ahead and not waste time. Let's dive right into this golden cross cannabis sector charts here, shall we? All right, so today's February the 12th, 2021. And the previous close of these stocks is going to vary. Tilray is going to be $32.16, down about 49.6% for the close. And Cron is going to be $12.15, down approximately 21.8% at the close. ACB is going to be $14.47, down about 23.5% at the close. Sndl, last but not least on the list, is going to be $22.38, down approximately 19.3% for the close for the day. Okay. All right. We're going to start with Tilray. And what we're going to look at, ladies and gentlemen, is the golden crosses. For those of you who aren't familiar, didn't watch our video that we hopefully left a link for, we're looking for this green line to cross above this red line. And obviously here, Tilray has done that successfully. So Tilray is in an official bull market. That's right. You heard it here first. Okay. So for those of you who are confused and this might be a pump and dump, that's fine. You can carry on there. But I will say that as long as it can stay above specific levels, everything should be just fine. So the first level is going to be right here at about $22.26. Am I saying it's going to get that low? No. But what I am saying is be open to volatility, because if this price goes all the way back down to $22.61, that would be perfectly in line with what we've already discussed. That is the level that it needed to break above and stay above in order to have a aggressive trajectory to the upside, okay? But Tilray is officially in a bull market as long as it can stay above 22.61. If it decides to have a much more severe retracement, there's two other levels. I guess we'll just go over that now so we don't have to have an update. The green line is probably going to vary because remember, these moving averages, they actually move as the days go. So it'll probably like kind of go up a little bit. But for right now, just in case the market is still flushing out, though, the weak hands is what I'm going to consider them as right now is, let's see, $18.50. The most critical level would be this red line down here. I'm going to be honest with you. If it breaks below this, then I'm going to have to really do some adjusting in the charts here. To be totally transparent with you all, we are invested. We've invested at the lower levels in Tilray, so we don't buy into run-ups, guys. We'll buy into the markets going down to average up. But, yeah, $13.03 is for Tilray. So do you have all the levels? Rewind them back. If you missed those are the levels for Tilray. That's it. That's it. Okay? Now for Cron, next on the list. Cron is pretty interesting. Now, Cron is doing something that a lot of people, I think structurally, Cron is actually in a better position than all four. I'm going to get people to disagree with that, but I'll show you why I say that actually. Because if you notice here for Cron has been in a very beautiful consolidation range that I'm noticing here. I guess I'll just kind of outline it very briefly. Like this is consolidation right here. And the reason that I say this is consolidation is because let me see, it started all the way from, I don't want them to be too long, guys. Starting here at about March the 12th, 2020. And all the way over here as like the breakout point at the top of this line at about $8.19. Excuse me, sorry. It appears, no, not it appears, it's official that Cron has been walking up the stairs. What's wrong with my voice? I apologize, guys. This is so unprofessional. You have to expect that every now and then. But I wanted to show you that Cron has been walking up the stairs ever since this point right here at about March the 13th, 2020, okay? Up, okay, down, higher, low, up, higher, high, down, lower, low, up, higher, high. So notice Cron has been kind of secretly just kind of doing things that the other cannabis stocks have not been doing. It's been actually making higher highs and higher lows behind the scenes while no one is paying attention. So even though Cron looks like it's down right now and down 21% and down 5%, Cron is actually the strongest cannabis in terms of structurally having higher highs and higher lows, this is actually the #1 stock in the cannabis sector. I know I'm going to get some interesting comments for that, but I'll just say this. Out of the 4, Cron, I've already did like a brief research. Cron is the strongest out of all 4. Okay, let's just get that out of the way. I would much rather have preferred Cron to stay above this white line here at about $12.60, which is probably not relevant now, but it might be relevant because, you know, maybe we're up against like a weekly or a 3-day close or something, so it can kind of pop its head back above that line within 2 to 3 days before the close. So just keep that in mind. That's the first level. The green line is going to be at about $9.89, okay? And the most critical level it needs to stay above is this red line. It's a 200, guys. Pull up your charts. It's a 200 exponential moving average. Pull up those charts. Pull up 200. Type in 200. Make whatever color you want. But if actually let's just let everyone know. If you want to enter these markets like a relevant market participant, like a sniper, the only thing you have to do is pull up the 200 exponential moving average, okay, on all of these. Erase everything. Don't overcomplicate this stuff. The daily chart, 200 moving average. If the price is near that level, that's where I would enter the markets, okay? I'm not saying that you should do that. After a golden cross, let's be specific, a golden cross. If it has not had a golden cross yet, I wouldn't buy at the 200. But at the 200, that's where you buy from a position of strength because they have control of the market. So Cron has made an official golden cross. We've already gone over the levels. The most severe retracement would be $7.82. Of course, $10.04 at the green line here, and I've already broke below that white line. Let's go ahead and carry on here. ACB, it isn't even close. Like the sellers are actually in a very unique position right now to maintain their control in this market. All they have to do is break down below $13.07 and just kind of break it all the way down to this white line at about $10.84. And if they just kind of continue down, yeah, ACB has failed the golden cross. I'm not saying this is actually what's going to happen, but it's right above the 200. So there could be financial support at the exponential moving average for the 200. So just keep that in mind. That's where it is right now in ACB. If that 200 cannot close, we'd have to revisit the charts. But that's the first level. If it does break below there, then the next level would be down here at about $10.84, guys. So yeah, just remind me in the comment section that we need an update if you see the price down to like $10.84. Let's go ahead and close it out here with, last but not least, Sndl. We just posted a video on Sndl speculating that the sellers may step into this market because the 50-day is trying to cross above the 200-day, which is like very, very close. We're probably like 72 hours away, or probably even a little bit more. I'm not sure. But this means that the sellers, they're not comfortable. They know what's about to happen. The buyers are ready to rip this price to the upside. So when they see the 50 trying to cross above the 200, that's their moment that they close their eyes. They put the left hand over their eyes and they use their right finger and like hit the buy button as if there is no tomorrow. That's probably, if you can kind of envision that in your brain, that's probably how they do it. Because they know if they let the 50 cross above the 200 on the daily moving average, that is it. The game is over. The downtrend has officially been over. Now, yes, I do remember saying that. I thought you said Sndl was officially in an uptrend. Yes, I do remember saying that. Sndl is officially in an uptrend. Is it in a bull market? No. Let's go ahead and start here at about October the 30th. Up, high, down, higher, low. Up, higher, high, higher, low, consolidation. Boom, higher, high. 3 consecutive highs, and now it only just needs to find a higher low. We're going to need consolidation from this move down. I think the move is approximately, it's a healthy move, I think, from the high here at about almost $4 into where the market is currently at pre-market. I think it's like 50%. That is healthy. That's a healthy move down. If you guys think you're going to press that button to get rich overnight, forget about it. You have to expect volatility in these markets. Sndl is fresh out of a bear market, so you are going to experience the sellers not leaving this market quietly. It's simple, okay? Expect volatility, more volatility to the downside. Maybe it's over right here. I don't know. I don't care. We're positioned with some flimsy contracts in this market, and we'll like to average up if the opportunity presents itself, if the sellers want to continue to push the price down, depending on how fast they do it. Let me get you the price so I can cut it out here. So the price level, I'm not sure if the downwards pressures are going to stop here. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. You can expect to see the price find support at, I don't know, $2, just under $2. If that's not where it holds the price, I don't want to give like a multiple random numbers. I'm going to stick to my guns. 94 cents was the last level we left you guys out on with. Okay, 94 cents. If the retracement is very severe and it takes place over the course of the next week or two, then that's beautiful. We just need this 50 to cross above this 200. I think we only need about a week for it to officially happen. So this way the sellers will realize that, yeah, that's it, man. We lost control. It's time to back off the price, and you'll see some very aggressive momentum to the upside. We'll leave a separate video. I do have a new price target for Sndl, but that's all I want to stop and let you wonderful folks know that I really don't have a target for Sndl other than 94 cents. Again, maybe it'll stop the downwards pressure where it is. I'm honestly not sure, nor do I care, guys, because, and I don't mean to be rude when I say that, but it's important. I mean, subscribe to the channel. All of my fellow compadres are well positioned in this market, just below 70 cents, 50 cents, 24 cents. Let me know down in the comment section. They're well positioned in this range. Some got shaken out. I mean, that's fine, right? I mean, it's kind of, it's not good that you got shaken out of the market, but we were very specific in this range. We're well positioned. There's nothing for us to do other than average up if the market presents a wonderful buy-in opportunity, if it continues to push down to the downside. But that's it. Did I even say anything? Like useful information? I'm not even sure, guys. 94 cents is the level for Sndl. If it finds support above, above like $1 or $2, $1.50, that's fine too, guys. But the only level that my speculative observation can comprehend is 94 cents as a worst case scenario to the downside. I would average up at some point here. I'm not sure when, but I'm not touching anything. I'm fine where I'm positioned in this market. So that's where we're gonna leave this video out and cut everything out here. And thank you for your time, guys. Hopefully there was some sort of valuable information in here. In closing, Sndl has not had an official bullish cross or golden cross yet. ACB has not. Cron has an official cross. Cron is an official bull market, and Tilray is in an official bull market. I don't care how much volatility is going on. If you can't stomach those drops, you might want to come up with a strategy. All right, so that's it, guys. We'll cut it out. Thank you for your time. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. If you enjoyed the content, you found any value, if you're kind of cringy in the intro, that's fine. Leave those comments down in the comment section. Also, if you're new, before you go, we cover the alternative markets. If you're like in Bitcoin and altcoins, things of that nature, we cover that. Subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send you that when it's available. We covered everything. Thank you for your time, guys. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. Execute your strategy. Don't use my strategy. It doesn't work all the time. Sometimes it does, okay? And take care of yourselves. And I think I said that, but I can't say it enough. And bye for now, guys.